Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to send live chat alerts to Slack. Okay, so you can send live chat alerts to Slack by using an official integration or even a third-party automation service like Zapier. If you want me to create a video about sending live chat alerts to Slack by using Zapier, you can go and leave a comment below and I'm going to do that for you. Okay, so we're just going to be using the official integration right here under live chat. Okay. Now what you'll do is just go ahead over to apps, okay, in the left panel. Now go ahead and use the search bar and look for Slack, okay. And here we have Slack for live chat. So as you can see here, it costs $5 per month per agent. And we do have a 7-day free trial in here. So what you'll do is just click on get and just enter your billing information. And then once done, hit on confirm. And once you hit on confirm, okay, Slack for live chat will be added right here in the list of your available apps. So what you can do is just click on it. For example, this is Slack. Now just go ahead and click on open settings and just configure your notification settings. Okay, it will just ask you to connect your live chat groups to a specific Slack public channel. Also, you can choose how you want to receive alerts. Okay, you can select notifications only to get text only messages or leave it unchecked to receive welcome notifications with the reply options. All right. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.